Audio Jungle.
Guianan Cock-of-the-Rock Rupicola rupicola. The Guianan Cock-of-the-Rock Rupicola rupicola is a strikingly vibrant bird found in the tropical rainforests of North and South America, including Guyana, Venezuela, Suriname, French Guiana, and parts of Brazil. Known for its flamboyant orange plumage and unique mating rituals, this bird is one of the most iconic and visually stunning species in its region. Plumage: male, bright orange or reddish orange, with black-tipped wings and a fan-shaped crest on its head that nearly covers its bill. Female: duller in coloration, with a brownish-orange plumage that provides better camouflage in the dense rainforest. Crest: the male's semicircular crest is its most distinctive feature, used during courtship displays to attract females. Eyes and bill: males have pale yellow eyes, while the female's eyes are darker. Both sexes have a short, sturdy yellow-orange bill. Size: length, approximately 30 to 33 centimeters, 12 to 13 inches. Weight: males weigh around 200 to 220 grams, while females are slightly smaller at about 170 to 190 grams. Habitat: range: found in the Guiana Shield region of North and South America. Environment: prefers dense tropical rainforests near rocky outcrops, cliffs, and waterfalls. These locations are crucial for nesting and their unique courtship displays, often seen in the understory or mid-levels of the forest, though they may venture higher. Diet: the Guianan Cock-of-the-Rock primarily feeds on fruit, which it plucks directly from trees or vines. It plays a vital role in seed dispersal, as undigested seeds are deposited throughout the forest. It may also eat small invertebrates, amphibians, or reptiles when fruits are scarce. Behavior: male Guianan Cock-of-the-Rocks are renowned for their elaborate mating rituals. Males gather in leks, communal display grounds, where they compete for female attention by performing synchronized dances, jumping, bowing, and calling. The lek can contain several males, and the competition is intense. Females select mates based on the quality of their display. Males are highly territorial, defending their display sites within the lek. Males emit loud, guttural croaks and squawks during displays, which are part of their effort to attract females. Breeding: females are solely responsible for building the nest, incubating the eggs, and raising the chicks. Nests are built on rocky cliffs, usually near waterfalls or caves, using mud, plant material, and saliva to create a secure structure. Eggs: the female typically lays 1 to 2 eggs. The eggs are incubated for about 25 to 28 days. Chicks: the young are altricial, born helpless and dependent on the mother. The female feeds them a diet of regurgitated fruit and small invertebrates until they fledge. Lifespan: wild Guianan Cock-of-the-Rocks live approximately 6 to 8 years in the wild, though this can vary based on predation and environmental factors. Captivity: in captivity, they can live up to 10 to 12 years with proper care. Threats: habitat destruction from deforestation is the primary threat. Illegal capture for the pet trade also poses a risk in some areas. Many regions where the Guianan Cock-of-the-Rock is found are protected as part of national parks and reserves. Public awareness campaigns aim to reduce habitat destruction and illegal trade. The Guianan Cock-of-the-Rock is an extraordinary bird, celebrated for its vibrant beauty, ecological importance, and fascinating behaviors. It remains a symbol of the rich biodiversity of South America's tropical rainforests. The Guianan Cock-of-the-Rock plays a crucial ecological role in its habitat by dispersing seeds from the fruits it eats, aiding in forest regeneration. 3. Despite their bright colors, these birds are surprisingly difficult to spot in the dense rainforest. Lekking behavior: few bird species use leks for courtship, making the Guianan Cock-of-the-Rock's mating ritual particularly unique and fascinating. Andean Cock-of-the-Rock Rupicola peruvianus. The Andean Cock-of-the-Rock Rupicola peruvianus is a striking and colorful bird native to the cloud forests of the Andes Mountains in South America. Known for its brilliant plumage and unique courtship displays, it is a symbol of the biodiversity of the Andean region and one of the most iconic birds of South America. Male. The male is renowned for its vivid orange or red plumage, which covers most of its body. It has a large, fan-shaped crest that extends over its bill, giving it its unique cock-of-the-rock appearance. The wings and tail are black, and the rump is grey. Female. The female is more muted, with brownish-orange plumage that provides better camouflage in the dense forest. Her crest is smaller and less pronounced than the male's. Size. Length 30 to 35 centimeters, 12.5 to 14 inches. Weight 200 to 300 grams, 7 to 10.5 ounces. Bill. The bill is short and yellowish, often partially obscured by the crest. Habitat. Range. Found across the Andean cloud forests, ranging from Venezuela and Colombia to Bolivia. Environment. Prefers humid, montane forests at elevations between 500 to 2,400 meters, 1,600 to 7,900 feet. They are commonly found near rocky areas, cliffs, and ravines, which provide nesting sites and cover. Diet. Primarily frugivorous, the Andean cock-of-the-rock feeds on a variety of fruits. It also consumes small insects, amphibians, and reptiles, particularly during the breeding season when protein-rich food is needed. Behavior. The male Andean cock-of-the-rock is famous for its elaborate courtship rituals performed in communal display sites called leks. Males gather in these areas and engage in vocalizations, dances, and exaggerated movements to attract females. Females visit the leks to select a mate based on the male's performances. Males are highly territorial within the lek, defending their display areas from rivals. Outside the breeding season, they are more solitary. Males produce a variety of harsh, guttural croaks and grunts during courtship displays. Breeding. Mating system. The species is polygynous, with males mating with multiple females. After mating, the male plays no role in nesting or raising the chicks. Nesting. Females build nests in crevices or on rocky outcrops, often using mud, plant material, and saliva to construct the nest. Nests are typically placed in well-protected locations near water. The female incubates the eggs and raises the chicks alone. Lifespan. Wild. The Andean cock-of-the-rock can live for up to 15 years in the wild, though its lifespan is often shorter due to predation and environmental challenges. Captivity. In captivity, it can live slightly longer due to the absence of predators and consistent food supply. Threats. Loss of cloud forest habitat due to agriculture, logging, and urban development. Disturbance from ecotourism and hunting in some areas. The Andean cock-of-the-rock's lekking behavior is one of the most fascinating spectacles in the bird world, with males gathering in groups to compete for female attention. Crest function. The male's large crest is thought to play a role in both attracting females and intimidating rivals during courtship displays. Camouflaged females. The female's duller coloration helps her blend into the forest while nesting, providing protection from predators. The Andean cock-of-the-rock is not only a visual marvel, but also an important ecological player in its native habitat. Its dramatic courtship rituals and vivid colors make it a favorite among bird enthusiasts and a vital ambassador for the conservation of the Andean cloud forests.